So let's look at my bike 2 days earlier before I went out and did 2 days of total mud. Now remember, we've been using this sealant, so let's look exactly what happened before and after. Now I'm using the Karcher K7 on low power, okay? And that's connected to the siphoning tube, because if you want low power, best to use the siphoning action. If it comes straight off the tap, it's too powerful, and that's the state of the bike. Look, mud all over it. Now, I'm going to still use this anyway. This is the Hydra foam anyway. Give it a good pump up. Might help a little bit. Bit useless, really. That's the Karcher K7 gun with a metal bar, and I've got the end of the Worx Hydra shot here. Now I would have used the Worx Hydra shot, but I couldn't be asked, to be honest. I've got this already set, so let's get rid of this mud. It should come off easy, because don't forget, I've got that Hydra sealant down on the bodywork. Mud's just ripping off, look at that. I'm looking at straight off, look at that. Now turning around the other way. Now I would have used my stand, but I've decided not to. I mean, I need a proper wash really, because it is still caned up with dirt. Look, even the caliper's full of mud. Where I get off easy enough. Look at that, so easy. Just look at the grass. Tons of it. Get me water bottle off now. Covered in shite. Look, under my seat, it's just chock-a-block full of crap. Just full of mud. I'll do a proper wash another day, and I'll just blow them off. Important to get that water out of there, alright? So get your blower in, or an air gun. You can do the same thing, just get that water out. And the other side. Now we'll just take it down the road and just clean them brakes off. And that's all you need to do, is just go down, put some pressure onto your brakes to clean them off, dry them off. It's that simple. Holding that in, that's cleaned itself up, dried it up, back one. Yeah, we're all right now. And that's it, that's all you need to do. Let's have a look and see what it looks like now it's dry. So like I said in the previous part of the video, I need to do this. I've actually cleaned this off now. It's all nice and dry and got rid of all the grass, and I've re-oiled the chain. Now, as you see this is now, this is exactly how the sealant is on the bike. Now remember, this just was a quick blast over, nothing special, it wasn't a proper wash. 2 days of thick mud, and that bike as it is, this is how it's dried off, and that's with that, obviously, that sealant on, and I don't think it's done a really bad job. To me, doing that, look, it's a result. The water's running straight off, look, see? Can't go wrong with that, can you? And that's the most important thing. It means the water is not lying on that surface, hence why your mud will just fly straight off. And let's be fair, I am a cleaning anorak. Would this be good enough for me? Yeah, I think it would for now. But let's be fair, the sealant's good, and I'll give it its due, it does its job. But I'm not going to be doing any more of this sealant now. I'm going to keep this on now and see how long it does last. I'm going to say now, that says 3 months. Let's be fair, if that lasts 3 weeks, I'm happy if I'm out every day of the week in the mud and I can just blow it off. That's fine, I don't care. But I think I'll most likely be topping up with this product. So when it goes out for a wash and I give it a good wash down, quick lick over with this because it's more like a detailing spray. If it does what it's supposed to do, I'm happy. And it's a small amount of money for this stuff, 10 notes. Now I have got another product which cost a lot more, and dare to say it's more like a more ceramic coating. And again, that says that has 12 months that it can last. And if you're liking this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget, there's a link up there if you want to buy me a coffee. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Clean Truths. Laters!